today's gonna be a little bit different because I don't have a super solid plan. I have a lot of like smaller stuff I need to take care of. The main big plan is to add this crossbow weapon, which is probably gonna take a while. But assuming I finish that, then I'll just have like little miscellaneous things that I need to finish up afterwards. So see how it goes. So yeah, it will be a little bit disorganized and slower than normal probably, but it's fine. See, I think audio levels look good. So first up, I need to add a bunch of Olivia's animations to her file and get those set up. Which is just moving around stuff, so that'll be pretty easy. So these three are all attack focused. Get the other ones added first because there's already places for them. That's split up. These are all the object pick up and throwing animations. And put down as well, and walking while you're carrying an object. This is right here. Okay, so there's not a spot for crossbow yet. I'll just put these in the bottom. 100. So we got 7 frames. Well, actually, this is idle. 6 frames. Pulling out the crossbow and firing. And we got 2 frames of hiding it again. Alright, let's add these animations to the code. 1300. The rest of them align already. So they're good, but... Old, I'm not even using that. And we have the hiding animation at 600x. So gotta get the attack set up, but let's just test out the other animations. So she's got a dodge, pick up, put down. That's good. Throw. That's good. And it was. Oh, she's. That was just a bug. I'll fix that. It's my miscellaneous day, so. Alright, I gotta get rid of all these enemy prototypes. Somehow. Wish I could repeat it. Picked up a box and the carry walk animation didn't play. So I want to figure out what's happening there. How do I repeat that? Oh, I might a little bit. There we go. I hold the same direction. The animation doesn't start. So I'll switch. I think that should fix it. Yeah. Cool. So all of those animations are working. So let's figure out the crossbow now. Oh, I never added the reload. I do that. This frame looks like she reloads and then she transitions back into firing. But if she reloads just to reload and then back to idle, I'll end it here. This is 1600. Thinking about how I want to put this. I think all that's good. I just need to set this to something different for Olivia. So we'll set firing crossbow to true. If it's Olivia attacking. And it's our strong attack. Firing. So then within here, when we update it every frame. No, why does it do this? Why it stops working? I have to break up attack colliders into two separate objects when I add the weak attack. So frame 4 is when she actually fires the bolt. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Why is the down not set? In the right. Oh no, that was just the weak attack. Okay. just call that once. So this is where we add the bolt. So I'll just do that now. I think of how to make it very visible. Something like this. This will be the bolt, and it like sticks on the ground. This will be in flight, and then it stops. Crossbow bolt's going to extend into the object. So we'll need velocity on it, and then we'll add it to the entity objects list so it gets updated. And then we'll check for collisions, I guess. Which is gonna be a little weird, I think. Let's see, what did I do about... So I had a similar problem with throwing boxes. Boxes were like hitting logs when you'd want to throw over them. Like if I wanted to throw over this log. To do that, I fixed it, but it was hitting it earlier. Thrown object, maybe that's what it did. Environment object. Is that different than default? Yes. Alright, let's rename thrown object projectile. Use that for the bolt. Go vector 3. Get the ball at the end. Now, if this is when it hits something, it should actually stick into it. Probably something like that. This point, since the animation reaches frame 4, we're going to fire the bolt, so crossbow bolt. adjust this in a second. That's going to be based on direction too. Add some constant velocities here for us to use. Add a drag too. Facing right, so the X is going to be positive. Just going to test that first. And this is added to... Let's fix this. I need that too. Well, I don't know if it was. 0. To give it also height off the ground. like 20. Since it's added in the other objects list, we can do override game update. Let's say it needs a rigid body too. How do I handle the throne objects? I say you can. Oh, that's what I did. I had a gravity control. I remembered. Should I use this for the bolter? I think I'm gonna have it do its own thing. animate it later. We have simple two frame animation of the bolt flashing in there. Possibly. Could depend on the type of crossbow, that would be cool. Different effects. Like a fire crossbow or ice crossbow or something.
Ugh.
I want this. Here. Fix that later. So if it hits something, an enemy, I think I'll just destroy it. Otherwise, do like a stick. Stick in the ground or stick in the cliff or something. A tree. Any part of the environment. We do assign, let's see, this is 19 by 7 are the frames. Is that lined up correctly? Yeah. So here is where we will update the movement. So we'll just do... correct the Z chord. So we get game object can only be in one layer. Ah, this is not updated. So it adds one. Where? Oh, it's way over here. That's weird. I think it's just moving. Oh, I didn't, yeah, that makes sense. This needs to be multiplied by the adjusted delta time. So I have my speed set per second. How many pixels it travels per second, so I need to adjust it based on the frame rate. There we go. There's something. Let's see, it doesn't... Layer projectile. Oh, it doesn't have a collision box yet. Duh. So that's gonna look like... Probably just like... by 3. Just right on the point. Move it like here. 7. 7 and then 3 and 3. 3, box offset, 7, 0. Nice. Does it hit the leaves too? No. It's taking out those boxes though. Yeah, because we have it. It's thrown box strength. Yeah, they hit the wall. Alright, let's get the position right. So from 717 up to 702. It's 17.2. 702.7. So 14 and a half up. Got it. And then right. 293 and a half. Let's start this first frame like here. And then we'll match it up with that. 93 and a half to 15. 26 and a half. Nice. Looks really good. I want it faster, and I want to add some gravity as well. Now let's get the gravity working first, and then I'll speed it up. Add the drag as well. The final step, I think. Hey there, DK Koba. Welcome in. I'm in the process of adding a crossbow attack today. I wanted to check how high it is off the ground to adjust the starting height. Um, 694, say 695. Ground would be like here. $6.95. Say 15. Recently ran a forum mafia game and used flash games as the flavor, included Enchanted Cave 2. In one post as part of that. Awesome. What's a forum mafia game? I'm happy to hear you like the Enchanted Cave games though. So adjusting the Z, this is where it's gonna be a little bit technically weird because it's like a fake Z coordinate. Where it's actually gonna affect like the Y collision value. But it would be weirder to have it other ways though, I think. Mafia is a social deduction game. Town of Salem's most popular example. Among Us uses mechanics. Okay. Oh, you're a Kickstarter backer. Awesome. Welcome in. Good to see ya. Thanks for backing it. Yeah, I'm moving on to an action RPG now with a very strong story and strong characters, and a really unique element where the player community is going to play a major role in this game. In Order of Athanor. So I'm really excited about it. Action RPGs, favorite genre? Yeah, it's one of my favorite genres as well. So it kind of combines a lot of ideas I've had for years, a lot of different ideas, kind of combines them all into one. So I'm pretty excited for it. So what I want to do is drop the bolt as it's flying. I need to add like a gravity. It's gonna be unique to the bolt. Probably 20 for now. Oh, we do need... Okay, yeah, I have that set up. Let's see. And let me just... Velocity, let's see. Then we also want to update the velocities with the drag. Yeah, it's definitely difficult to become familiar with somebody else's code that you haven't worked with, especially if you don't have a lot of experience coding in general. But I'm just updating the velocity of the crossbow bolt every frame. To add some drag to it. That's not right. That's not right. Else, it's velocity x plus. This is if it's traveling right, and this is if it's traveling left. We want to go toward 0. It feels kind of like a sloppy way to do this, but I didn't want to do a percentage method. Same for y. If y is going up, y minus drag. If y is going down, y plus drag. Then z is always going to go down. It might be too much right now for the gravity. I think the Y we want to actually do plus the Y and the Z, because this is the visual appearance of it. And this Z is kind of just used internally. Let's do this first. Update the velocities. We'll do that, and then we'll say if Z that's not right. No, that's not right. This is the object's Z. Yeah, the visual. I added those like sneak peeks of some GIFs I've made that pop up periodically. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. You should be able to do a lot of cool things in the game, like a lot of environment interaction, different ways to kill enemies, and different ways to do things. Be a few like Zelda-like puzzles in the game as well. Right. I can show you more after I finish this little bit. This is just the sprite Z. Yeah, it's just a height variable, height. So that gets updated there. So then we want height equals velocity of Z times adjusted delta. Then, if height is less than or equal to 0, we'll call stick. which I want to do one more thing. Stick, we set the animation to stuck. So it should like travel and then dip down. The angle's not going to change yet. But it should like get stuck in the ground, hopefully. That's the plan. And it does fall very slowly. Yeah, there we go. So once it falls all the way, it just stops. So that looks good. I'll add some angle updates and crank up the speed and tweak a lot of values as well. So yeah, this is what we got. I'm a little limited on attacking because this crossbow currently only shoots right. But yeah, you can pick up and put down objects like Zelda. Let's see. Throw them into enemies. This red box is a placeholder for an explosion. And then the fire will spread on some items. Pick up and throw burning stuff. It's an example of the dialogue. There's going to be an alchemy system like Secret of Evermore. And yeah, with a few tweaks to make it more kind of like central to the gameplay and puzzle design as well. But yeah, this is just kind of like my little test map I've been working on so far. And the UI is a different character, so that's why the faces don't match up currently. Alright, so back to this crossbow. Let's add the angle. I'm trying to think how I would do that. Cool map. It's a wild map with a bunch of random stuff in it currently. I'm trying to think of the math to angle the bolt. Trying to think if I've already done it somewhere else in the game. Let's see what that does with the angle. Nothing. It's kind of weird there. Slow it down so I can work with this a little easier. I'm not changing it at all. Like, going back and forth between positive and negative. Really weird. It doesn't make sense. I feel like I did this somewhere else in the game. I can't remember what object though. Just the height, I think. It's like 10. That's it. I think this is the speed I want. Get a better feel when I do every direction, I think. It's pretty close, I think, to what I want though. So that would be back here. We need to update the different directions. So left should just be flipped. And then up and down. To adjust these. That's not right. Pretty close already. Chicken, get out of the way. Thank you. Like almost right on line already. Oh, we need to adjust that though. Okay. First off, position 340 needs to be moved over half pixel left, then 672.5 to about 663. So we also need to update this stuff based on don't actually need the angle. So calculate that based on X and Y. Box size. We need box size is always 3x3. We just need box X offset, box Y offset. So for right, that's gonna be 70, left 07, up, I think, check it. Actually, this backwards. -70. And up's gonna be 0.7. Down's gonna be 0 minus 7. Probably. Right looks good. Down looks good. Positioning is correct. Left. That's correct. Up. Now I need to position. That. So collision box is good. I need to go Y is -700. 3. Move that up to 16, 15.5 upwards. And X goes from 340.8 to 3.5. That's good. And then later on there'll be like a weak attack if she doesn't have her stamina fully recovered. So we just got the placeholder Layla's attack for now. The last thing I need to do is add a timer on these guys. They go away for like 2 seconds. Probably just do a tween. This is when they actually. So let's get a stop time variable. 0, and then we're stuck. After we're stuck for 2 seconds, now we'll fade out. For 1 second. I think that should be all I needed to do. Get a fade out. Nope. Render. Yeah. Then it crashes. What? I think it adds multiple twins. There we go. Looks pretty good. The only, like, sometimes the collision box is a little funky like that. I'm trying to think. Her AI is going to be tough to program to shoot things as well. Yeah, the arrows will hit the walls. The only problem is sometimes the collision's a little bit not pixel perfect like that, which isn't a huge problem. Probably do whole stick, we can just move it forward a little bit more. And also remove the... or go ahead and destroy the rigid body. Well... let's copy this. Let's velocity. Instead of adjusted delta time, which could be anything. We'll adjust this if we need to. And correct the Z chord for our Z sorting. So hopefully that looks okay. It's probably moving fast enough you won't even notice. It'll just jump forward like basically one more frame. Oh, that broke. Need... stuck. It's like bouncing around the wall. I don't want the game object that's itself. I just want to destroy the rigid body. It like moves up. It looks like moves out of it. I want to disable glider as well, I think. There we go. That's clean. Nice. It goes forward a little bit further into the collision box. That looks really good. Alright. The next small update I need to do is adjust the power. So I need to see, what do I need to pass in? An entire attack info, I think. So it could have like elements attached to it as well. So this will pass in Olivia's attack info to the bolt object. So then we can do it needs its own. I don't want to overwrite stuff. probably be fine, but this is cool too. Should just add it. I mean, alright, it passes an object, that's fine. So I do need to duplicate it, I think. Manually copy this. We'll clone the player's attack info, pass in, and then here, instead of creating this new one, say attack, update the position here. Do that. So she shouldn't be OP anymore. Yeah. She just damages boxes like she's hit them. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Alright, I gotta go pee. Gonna make some more tea and then figure out what I'm gonna do. Afterward. So I think Crossbow's looking pretty good. Need to add the reload now. also want a crossbow loaded string. Probably be like, it'd be cool to have like a special item in the game, special ability that's on some accessories or equipment that allows you to just automatically always be loaded, so you don't have to reload. That'd be a cool, unique property for some of Olivia's equipment. So basically, an attack instead of all of that. Attacking right here, we'll say if character is Olivia and crossbow's not loaded. Reload crossbow instead of attacking. Even if it's not strong, it can definitely be a cool niche type of weapon. Yeah, this is the crossbow is unique to Olivia's character, so every character will have their own weapon type. So this is her character. Usually, she's a combination. I'll show you. This berry's cool. Typically, Olivia's pretty weak, but she makes up for it with her dog Barry as her companion. So he'll protect her, so he'll go kill this slime. Because he's a good boy. So she'll have like kind of like a weak ranged attack, but Barry is her protector for the most part. And she can cast some decent spells as well. Yeah, the infinite ammo. Yeah, I got you. It's kind of, well, yeah. I know, yeah. But no reload thing. She'll always have infinite ammo. I'm not gonna use ammo. I think that's just kind of unnecessary complexity, especially her attack's already more unique than the others since it's ranged. But, yeah, not having to reload would be a nice bonus. So let's just throw it at the bottom. Animation, she'll be reloading, and let's see, I wanted to make it just 7 frames. Let's see if I did that. Yeah, 7. Cool. So let's go to the update method here. Basically, when she's reloading, she can't do anything. She's not moving, she's not doing nothing. Until the animation's done. just be equal priority to any of these. I'll say reloading. Good, and the only other thing I need to do is if she gets hit while she's reloading it, cancels it. Let's see if that works. Nope. Because I never set loaded to false. Do that as soon as the bolt is fired. Crossbow is no longer loaded. Two things wrong. First is I haven't updated our image asset, so that'll fix that. And then the second thing was after she completes the animation, we return to item. Yeah. Barry got stuck on the cliff there. That looks good. Actually reload immediately. Oh, because it queues it up as an attack, so I don't even have to do that separately. Looks good. Animation's a little choppy going from up to down, up or down to reloading. I might end up adding a direction-specific reload for each direction. But yeah, that looks good. It's gonna be a little adventure to write her AI. I'm trying to think. I think is that it for the crossbow for now? I need to add her weak attack at some point. Possible I might map the reload to a different button. I don't really want to, but also like you also want the ability to have like a weak attack where like she just smacks them with the crossbow like a melee weapon. And right now that's a locked away because pressing the attack button again reloads. So like you kind of want the option to use that or reload, so maybe I'll map it to the action key, that'll probably be fine. That might work. Unless you have full stamina, so it would be a strong attack, otherwise then it will reload. But I feel like you'd have to like explicitly tell players that. I feel like a lot of them won't figure it out and just think you have to like wait for your stamina to be refilled before reloading. There's a few different options to do with that. This one's the simplest right now, so we'll just do that. Be alright for now. Alright, berry-wise, your stamina not refilling. You still attack? Yeah. I don't know why it was 0 for a little bit there. Let's see if I can reproduce that. I just added the stamina, so probably bugs. That starts at 0. I'll fix that too. I think it just visually starts at 0. There we go. Cool. Not hunt the deer. Alright, excellent. Crossbow went pretty smoothly. There's a bat enemy that I like 75% finished on another stream. So let's just finish that one. I'm gonna switch over to Layla, so she's because her melee attack is a little bit easier to use. We're testing. Alright, so the bat follows you until it's in range, and then I was going to add an attack. That's what's going on. I have 1 frame for preparing and diving. Different diagonal directions. Right now it's just aiming at it's just targeting your main character that you control. So at some point I need to go through, I think multiple enemies do this currently. And update that so that they pick a target for when you have multiple party members. I'm just writing a note to do that another day. Welcome to the Discord, DK Koba. Just saw that. Be posting regular updates there. So that, where is it following? Toward player. Else, right here. Go within the attack radius. So. That's old. Unnecessary. Do attack. Really just needs a game object. So here we just got to attack radius, so yeah, not attacking yet. Attack. Name that here. think I'm just gonna redo all of that. Not that either. Otherwise, this is the random movement. Let's store back at target position. Change that to target position. Back target positions that. And when we attack, we pass in this player's position. So that you can dodge it and it doesn't like home in on you. Let me pull up the animations so I can see what we're working with. Fly, fly. This is the prepare and then dive. Big dive. Downward, either left or right, and upward, either left or right. We have a nice little take hit animation as well. Yeah, already got them set up. Just not using them yet. We'll do that at the end. Yeah. So attack, we set an attack target position. And then here. Depending on which way the bat is currently facing. Set the appropriate animation. Prepare. Up. This is false. So we'll set the prepare animation. I might move him slightly. Like a slight little like pull back into the air a little bit before he dives forward. Would probably look good, but we'll just freeze in place for now. So we want a short time delay. Of 0.3 seconds. Let's see how that feels. So in back, prepare time is attack prepare time. Let's do a preparing Boolean as well. So if we're attacking, if we're preparing, and we're out of prepare time, then we begin the dive. Should be, let's see, preparing. It's no longer true. Would be a lot of the same stuff. Preparing's false. We'll do diving. It's true. Here, the dive time. Could reuse some variable, that's fine. They're just floats. We don't want a constant, we want to calculate it based on the speed of the dive. It's probably going to be pretty quick. 100 might be too fast. So the dive time is going to be dive speed divided by vector 2 distance between attack target position. So we're no longer preparing. So diving. I want dive velocity as well. Gonna be some math. Drawing a blank. I need angle to object. This. Jam with the radiance. From this position, attack target position. It'll give me the angle, and then I'll do dive velocity equals u vector 2. The x is the cosine. I believe positive cosine. Oh, I always do this trial and error, and I can't do all the positive and negatives in my head of the angle times the dive speed, and the y, I believe, is negative sine. See, the angle dive speed. So now we just need to update So translate by the dive velocity. I think this is correct. Dive velocity y. What is correct position? Action object. It's replacing an object. And we also want the dive to stop when it hits something, when it hits its target. Or any target that's in its way. We got attack landed. There we go. I thought I had a method I could override. Landed. Cool. Sets the cooldown. All the base, and what we want to do if we're diving. No longer diving. Set to idle. Just do that there. Attacking's false, diving's false, preparing is false. I think that might be most of what I need. I also need... Yeah, I want... If it misses the target, I'll just test it. Right now, if it misses, it'll just go forever, I think. We'll change that. With the dive time, that's what the dive time is calculated for. So Y was, guessed wrong. Apparently it's a positive sign. I don't think I've ever gotten that right the first try. X looked correct though. There's no waiting after he hits you either. I need to add more. Dodge out of the way. Oops. Oh, that wasn't a dodge. I'll just go forever, so I'll add the dive time. I also need cooldown after he hits you as well. That's not right at all. 3-second dive time. Yeah, it'd be the other way. Distance divided by speed. So if diving, translate it, we correct it. Dive minus equals just a delta time. If we're out of dive time, diving, we just set idle. resets everything. And then I want here and after he hits you some kind of like just idle wait time. See, is wait time already a thing? Yeah. I think I'm using it though. After dive, wait. So should there be a different amount of wait time depending on whether or not the dive hits a target? I'm gonna make the wait time a little bit bigger when it misses to kind of reward the player for dodging. 2 and 3 seconds. See how that feels. Attack landed. Wait after it. Wait time. So then we're not attacking. It's before everything. I don't have to do anything. Do that. Waiting and not moving. It's good. Oh, not quite. A little bit longer if it misses. Alright, the last thing, I want to see what the collision box looks like. This is where you want the like enemy collision as far as like it moving around the map and hitting objects to be where the shadow is. That's the like, origin point. But I feel like every player is going to try to attack like the bat sprite itself. I think I'm gonna move. Both its hurt box and attack box. What's he doing there animation-wise? He needs to turn. Let me turn there. Okay. Here, fix that. Let's fix that direction first. Attack. This is prepare, so right here we'll do. Direction is a new direction based on that's the angle in degrees, and then we'll get the direction from that. So let's test that out. Thanks, DK. Alright, so if I sneak behind him, there, okay, he's turning around. Cool. Let's up his health, because I'm going to add the her animation eventually. Then what was I doing? I got distracted by the direction. Oh, I was gonna reset the do a different collision boxes. We got prefabs, enemies, that. Box and attack box, I actually want to be capsules. I'll tell you about the same size. Let's see how that looks, and I'll adjust it. Sprite itself. Make it longer and up more. It up is like that. Change the Okay, that. And I wanted to adjust the dive attack to move the sprite a little bit. I need to change. Attack box to trigger. Alright, so what we're gonna do, when he does a little prepare frame, he's gonna rise up a little bit in the fake Z direction, and then when he dives, he's gonna go down, fake Z direction. It's just gonna be some constant speeds. Speed. Prepare times 0.3. Probably want to rise up 5-ish. Pixels. Why is my cursor at the finger? Okay. And then dive. Z speed. I have no idea what this will be. I'll test it out. So we got sprite origin Y. I'll adjust. So during preparing, I'm gonna say sprite position. Plus rise speed times just delta time. Let's test that. It never gets corrected, so it'll just rise up more and more every time. Let's just make sure that's doing what I think it should. Yeah, there we go. That looks nice. So I just need him to back down now. Diving. Do the Y minus dive Z speed. Is that what I called it? Weird. Alright. Let's see where that ends up. I want to change the speed so that when it misses, it's like just above the ground. I don't like that. I'll move it up a little bit higher. Hey, Solarin, what's going on? X minus Y. What is that? X divided by X 0.5. Yes, I agree. Well done. So he'll dive down a little bit, and then while we're waiting, it's just the little leggy left off a quarter of the X. I'm lost. I'm sorry. I don't get it. I trust it was a good joke. I believe you. Visual maths, yes. The best kind of maths. Here, while we're waiting, I want it to rise up back to the sprite origin, so we'll do if well, just as a this probably won't ever matter. If we're done waiting, we'll just set the sprite origin. No, the sprite origin stays the same. We set the local position to sprite origin. Right, transform local position. Okay, so before that, we're going to slowly return our sprite Y position to the sprite origin. It's usually, probably always going to be under it, but just in case. In your door songs not having, yeah, and I could probably fix that at some point. There's like 1 or 2 games in my playlist that are like that, a little bit broken. Yeah. So the Y plus, we want to raise speed. Yeah, it is iconic if you've ever played the game. Thousand Year Door has some jams, for sure. Wait, rise speed. Probably like the same as the... I'll make it a little bit faster than the prepare. Adjust delta time. Try to transform. Otherwise, if we're above the origin, we subtract. I mean, honestly, normally, I'd add some more code to say, like, if you're within 0.1 or whatever, just snap to it and then stop adjusting, but, like, the bat's already wildly flappy anyway. I don't think you'd even notice the, constant corrections. Maybe that's ugly to keep it like that, but so we'll see what it looks like. Don't even notice at all. So yeah, that looks good. Dives and then rises up. Back to position. The collision boxes should be pretty generous. Yeah. Awesome. Bats are looking good. I need quick little hurt animation now, I think. See, so it takes hit. I'll keep this set idle because it resets everything. Then I'll do one of these. It's gonna be pretty quick. Do considering it's not a flapping animation during it. Maybe even less than that. let's see if the hurt animation shows correctly. Yeah, very quickly. That was the wrong one. That was... Get a little longer. Maybe 0 and then 32 on the X. Yeah, that's right. Did that dude hang somewhere? Grabbing these random animations. Ninety-six, 96. This in a different... right down and then right up. Right down. Right up. This is never used anywhere, but it's getting set. That's correct. That's... is it only when he dies? Have a separate one when he dies? Why? No. Oh, I know what's going on. Copied the wrong thing. Let me get rid of these. It saves the frame. That's for changing directions and flying so the flapping stays consistent. I think that's all I need to do. That's why I was acting randomly. I wonder if it looks better. It probably would look better to have him always face the player after he gets hit. So we'll do this. Take hit. Direction is a new direction to the player. It really should be from the location of the attack. So that should fix that. Should turn. Yeah. I like that better. Nice bat enemy. Awesome. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for today. Need to get some food. But I made a lot of good progress. We got Olivia's crossbow finished, and we got the bat finished. All of its animations. Might do a spell effect next stream. Not sure. Thank you for the GGDK. Thanks for sticking by as well. Thanks for hanging out. Might do a spell effect next time. There's a couple other like small background animals I could do. Probably do some AI movement off stream. It's a little more complex and boring to watch, so probably do that off stream. But good stuff, good stuff. One step closer to the foundation being done, so the story can begin. The story has been making excellent progress. It's not something I stream, but behind the scenes there's a lot of, I mean, it's not like implemented, but there has been a lot of work done on writing the story, characters. But yes. I've been working on the prologue maps a little bit as well. Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time.